My name is Ying, and I'm the founder and owner of Greenworks. And Greenworks, 15 years ago, the company was founded. And at that time, we were starting with 100 people, very small business. Today, we have 5,000 people around the world. And in United States, we have over 200 employees. And the success of the development of this company, if we're looking back, I think it's the biggest thing was we invest in the right direction. 10 years ago, we started this journey of lithium battery power equipment. And we were the first one in 2009 launching a lithium battery lawnmower in the United States and in Canada as well. And in the last 10 years, we have been leading this trend. And I'm glad to see today in the show that everybody is embracing that trend. And only a few years ago, we were trying to convince some of the big guys, and they were still having trouble to jump in. But now everybody is jumping. So thanks to all the investment we have made in the last 10 years, then till today, we become one of the biggest, and we believe we are the leader in all the battery powered outdoor power equipment. And we have the whole range of handheld, walk behind, and ride on. And therefore, we have the whole range for DIY consumers. We also have the whole range now for the commercial landscapers. So now we provide one solution for both the DIY people and the professional landscaper. And we actually feel this journey still at its early stage. So we have a lot of new products coming out. We have over 400 engineers, and they are specialized in developing lots of new products. Myself is an engineer, so I've spent the majority of my time working with our sales, marketing people, and the product management people developing a lot of new products. So we're really excited with all the innovation we're coming out. And the battery is a big platform. So when you invest in one battery platform, you want to be able to take advantage of many tools using the same battery. That's why now with one battery, you are able to do all the things you need in the yard, in your outdoor landscaping world. I think that's the last 10 years what we have been doing.